how to connect the AKG condenser microphone to Vodcaster and then to your DSLR camera. Here are the things we're going to need. We're going to need XLR cable. We're going to need a cable like this with a mini stereo out that's going to go into the camera. You're also going to need USB-C power, and we're going to connect all this XLR cable here, okay, camera here with the little mini cable, and then we're just going to send our signal out to the camera that way. Oh, and that's for power, so we're not going to use the USB-C for any connection to the camera because there's none, so it's only for power. So let's do that first. So that's your power right there. Okay, you can see that it's lit up. It means it's ready to send the signal. Now we're going to connect the camera icon right here. We're going to connect this cable here. Okay, and this cable is going to send audio signal to the camera. Now it doesn't matter which order you want to do it in. It will work no matter what order you're putting in. The Panasonic GH2, by the way, you have to have a DSLR that does take a mini stereo in, otherwise you're not going to be able to do it. So let's connect that here. Okay, so now you have your connection to the camera right there. You're almost ready to go. Now we're going to take our condenser microphone. You're going to connect it here via the XLR cable. That goes in there. And then the other part of the XLR cable is going to go into the Vodcaster, into where it says host. And it fits perfectly in there. And now you're pretty much ready to go. The other thing that you need to do is on the back there's a button that says 48 volt. That's the one you want to press so you can light up the 48 volt phantom power that's going to power your XLR mic, because it doesn't have any power. So once you turn it on, it lights up red and everything's ready to go. You should be able to send the audio signal directly to your camera, and you can control all your gain and everything. You can monitor yourself through here too. I don't have my headphones set up, but you will connect your headphones there and you'll be able to hear yourself as to what's going into the camera and then film yourself. In the next video, we're going to see what it looks like and what it sounds like with all this connected. Let's go. Okay, so we have successfully connected the AKG microphone, audio check 1, 2, and we're recording to the DSLR camera, the Panasonic, and this is exactly what it sounds like, so you can get some good quality audio directly from your podcasting Vodcaster Focusrite into your GH2 DSLR or any camera. They can take in a mini stereo jack in for a microphone. Audio check 1, 2, 3.